So the Moose Shop just got a phone call from a good friend of mine that owns an Italian restaurant here in town named Trabocco. His name is Giuseppe. It sounds like the beginning of an Italian joke. So, no, but for real, he needs some help. He's got these 3 tables that are too short, and he wants me to raise them up a little bit. So, not quite sure exactly what he wants and how much he wants. So, let's get in the truck. Let's take a ride on down there. Check it out. Have a little conversation with him. Maybe a quick espresso.
Notte giorno di torno girano, delle vele turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor, delle vele turbando.
Michele, what I need here? I need this table to get this high.
A little bit higher?
No, a little bit. Need to be at least, yeah, this much, because now, you know, there we go.
Okay, like 10 inches.
10 inches, yeah.
Bring it up.
Right now, look at.
Well, how come? Why?
Look at that. You cannot eat comfortably. The problem is that when I laid up this is supposed to be only lounge.
Yeah.
But now people love to eat here, so I need this to get.
You can't go like this, huh?
No.
Okay.
It's not gonna work that well.
Okay, yeah, no problemo. No problemo.
So what we need to do, we just need to raise this. You know how to do this kind of stuff. You know, make sure that it's nice and sturdy,
okay.
very strong. So you know, we will not have you know, flexible problems.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, no problemo.
Okay, so we can do that.
Si.
Perfetto.
Right. Okay.
Grazie.
I'll bring it home, and I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Perfetto.
Okay.
Now it's time for cappuccino, right?
Si. All right. Okay, so we got the tables here back at the shop. What I thought was going to be just a simple, let's take off the leg and replace it with a taller one, end up being that this table is made with mortise and tenons, which is totally fine because when I put it back together, it'll be real strong. Because I'll also use the mortise and tenons for the rails. It's just that it's going to be a little bit more work, but it's cool because I haven't done a mortise and tenon in a while, and I got a mortise machine, so I'm looking forward to doing this. Well, it looks like one side of these legs are attached with these wooden dowels, so let's take it over to the drill press and try to drill these out, and I believe we'll be able to pop them off after that. Here's a little trick I like to share with you about cutting tenons. So instead of taking everything off, getting out the dado blade, resetting the table saw up, just leave your sled on, make yourself a stop block with the set to the length of the tenon that you want, and cut all your shoulders. And then with this sideways motion over the blade as you're moving the sled forward, just slowly nip off the thickness of it until you keep checking in your mortise until you get to the right thickness and it fits really nice and snug. You can raise the blade and just creep up on it. Once you determine that and get that done right, raise the blade up, then check your width. Make sure you're cutting both sides, and then just sneak up on it also, and then you'll get it to fit really nice. Just take your time. All right, there you go. Third table completed. Really strong. Turned out nice. I think Giuseppe's going to be happy. So let's load this in the truck, take a ride on down there, see what he has to say.
Ehi, fratello, ciao, vieni qui.
Come stai, bello? Ma guarda che bel lavoro che hai fatto.
Guarda la tavola.
It's beautiful. I love it. I really
The
do.
work okay?
It looks fine.
Yeah.
It looks great.
Yeah.
It looks fantastico. Fantastic.
There we go. Perfect.
Wow, let's see. Nice. Now we need a cappuccino.
Sì,
Eh?
andiamo.
Vai.
If you're ever in the Bay Area and looking for an excellent Italian restaurant, look up Trabocco. I'll put all the information down in the description below.
Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor, delle belle turbando il riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor.